Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to optimize Shopify pages speed. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify account. And now you have to remove unused apps from Shopify. So after removing unused apps from Shopify, go to your Shopify admin page. Click on the online store button. And after clicking on the online store button, click on the themes button. After clicking on the themes button, click on the actions button and the drop down will appear. Now click the edit code option. Now the code editor has opened. Click on the theme.liquid option. Now under head to head, you have scripts of unused apps here. So delete the codes also. After that, download image compression app. Go to the apps button and on the search bar, search for image compression app and download it. It is to compress or decrease the size of images that you have put up on your store. TinyPNG is the most used app for image compression. Also, a lot of choices in the there are a lot of choices in the Shopify App Store, so you can use any of them, whatever suits you. Now remove broken lines. Uh, Download broken line from Shopify Store again. Now next step is to test your site. Test your site speed. So out of all, the best app for this is GT Metrics, in which you copy the URL of your store and then paste it in the bar and click, and it shows all the data of your site. Otherwise, you have other choices in the Shopify store. So these were the few steps. If you follow these, it will speed up your Shopify pages. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.